I am Father Dion, the Post-Catholic Chaplain of the Headquarters and Headquarters Support Group, Philippine Army. And this is Salita ng Diyos, ang ating gabay. In this video, I would like to talk about mental health self-care. This mental health self-care is specifically designed for the personnel of the Philippine Army. Mental health self-care is an essential topic often goes overlooked in the military context. In this video, I would like to raise awareness and promote self-care practices that enhance our overall well-being. Why is mental health self-care important in the military? We all know that the nature of military service presents unique challenges, both physically and mentally. Our soldiers face high-stress situations, long deployments, and the constant demand for peak performance. These factors can take a toll on their mental well-being. It is crucial to recognize that mental health is just as important as physical health. Neglecting on our mental well-being can lead to adverse effects on our overall functioning, including decreased performance, relationship difficulties, and even the development of mental disorders such as anxiety and depression. Mental health self-care refers to the deliberate action we take to promote and maintain our emotional and psychological well-being. It involves recognizing our own needs, addressing stressors, and engaging in activities that nurture and protect our mental well-being. By prioritizing self-care, we can build resilience, improve our coping mechanisms, and enhance our overall quality of life. In the military context, self-care is not a luxury but a necessity. It is paramount for our soldiers to be in optimal mental health, to fulfill their duties effectively, and to maintain a healthy work-life balance. By investing in our mental well-being, we can contribute to a more resilient and efficient force. Through this video series, we will explore various self-care strategies that can be incorporated into our daily life. We will try to discuss about spiritual, emotional, and physical self-care. We will discuss techniques such as mindfulness and meditation, stress management, physical activity, healthy sleep habits, nurturing social connections, and seeking professional help when needed. Moreover, we will emphasize the importance of creating a supportive community where discussions about mental health are encouraged and stigmatization is eliminated. We want to foster an atmosphere where seeking help is seen as a sign of strength rather than a weakness, enabling our soldiers to reach out for support when they need it. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not selfish. It is an act of self-preservation. By prioritizing your well-being, you are better equipped to fulfill your duties, take care of your loved ones, and contribute to the larger mission. So, this mental health self-care lecture series aims to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to nurture your mental well-being. Together, let us build a culture that values and supports mental health within the Philippine Army. Let us embark on this journey towards enhanced self-care and resilience. Now, let us consider some of the reasons why mental health self-care is crucial in the military. 1. Enhanced performance. When we prioritize our mental health and engage in self-care practices, we can optimize our cognitive abilities, decision-making skills, and overall performance. Taking care of our mental well-being allows us to be more focused, alert, and effective in carrying out our duties. 2. Stress management. The military environment can be inherently stressful. Engaging in self-care activities such as exercise, relaxation techniques, and healthy coping mechanisms can help us manage stress effectively. By reducing stress levels, we can prevent burnout, maintain emotional stability, and improve our overall resilience. 3. Improve relationships. Mental health self-care fosters healthy relationship within the military community. It enables us to communicate effectively, resolve conflicts, and provide support to one another. When we prioritize our own well-being, we are better equipped to build and maintain positive relationship, positive connections with our colleagues, superiors, and subordinates. 4. Prevention of mental health disorders. Self-care practices act as protective factors against the development of mental health disorders. By addressing stressors, seeking support, and engaging in activities that promote well-being, we can reduce the risk of conditions such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. Prevention is key in maintaining the mental health of our Philippine Army personnel. 5. Work balance. Mental health self-care allows us to achieve a healthy work-life balance. It encourages us to engage in activities outside of our military duties that bring joy, relaxation, and fulfillment. By balancing our personal life with our professional responsibilities, we can avoid burnout and maintain a sense of well-being. Thus, mental health self-care is of utmost importance in the military context. By prioritizing our mental well-being, we can enhance our performance, manage stress effectively, build strong relationship, prevent mental health disorders, and achieve a healthy work-life balance.